is for Atlantic Spotted Dolphin. Atlantic Spotted Dolphin leaping high in the waves. B is for Bottlenose Dolphin. Bottlenose Dolphin, smart and playful every day. C is for Commerson's Dolphin. Commerson's Dolphin, black and white and swimming fast. D is for Dusky Dolphin. Dusky Dolphin, jumping high with a graceful splash. E is for Euphrosyne Dolphin. Euphrosyne Dolphin, rare and special in the sea. F is for Fraser's Dolphin. Fraser's Dolphin, inland waters wild and free. G is for Ganges River Dolphin. Ganges River Dolphin, living where the rivers flow. H is for Heaviside's Dolphin. Heaviside's Dolphin, small and fast, watch it go. I is for Indian Ocean Dolphin. Indian Ocean Dolphin, gliding through the waves so bright. J is for Japanese White Dolphin. Japanese White Dolphin, shining pale in the moonlight. K is for Killer Whale. Killer Whale, a mighty dolphin, big and strong. L is for La Plata Dolphin. La Plata Dolphin, swimming where the rivers belong. M is for Maui's Dolphin. Maui's Dolphin, one of the smallest in the sea. N is for Northern Right Whale Dolphin. Northern Right Whale Dolphin, with no dorsal fin, sleek as can be. O is for Orca. Orca, a powerful hunter, bold and free. P is for Pantropical Spotted Dolphin. Pantropical Spotted Dolphin, found where the warm waves like to be. Q is for Queensland Coastal Dolphin. Queensland Coastal Dolphin, living where the waters are clear. R is for Risso's Dolphin. Risso's Dolphin, with scratches on its skin so near. S is for Spinner Dolphin. Spinner Dolphin, flipping high into the air. T is for Tucuxi Dolphin. Tucuxi Dolphin, a freshwater swimmer, rare and fair. U is for Uruguayan Dolphin. Uruguayan Dolphin, found near the South Atlantic shore. V is for Vaquita. Vaquita, a tiny porpoise seen no more. W is for White-beaked Dolphin. White-beaked Dolphin, living where the waters are cold. X is for Xenorhynchus Dolphin. Xenorhynchus Dolphin, a mystery in the ocean untold. Y is for Yangtze River Dolphin. Yangtze River Dolphin, a legend from a river long. Z is for Zebra Dolphin. Zebra Dolphin, a playful name for a dolphin song.